What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this V-plow getting fixed. If you remember a few videos ago, I busted up one corner here, so we got it pretty much back to straight. We got a little bit more adjusting to do, some welding to do, and then we got to put the blade back on. So that should be done today, hopefully. If not today, it'll be done in one day in the future. And then right now, as you can tell, my truck is coated up with salt. So I'm gonna pull this ladder rack off. I'm not sure if I can or can't go through a car wash with it on, so just pull it off, that way I don't get over there and they tell me to turn around. Obviously I'll have to empty my bed, but this is not too bad. It's just 4 bolts and the whole thing lifts right off. And then when I get back this afternoon, we're gonna mount this spinner, which is for that truck that we just got back from being sandblasted and painted. So hopefully when we put it on, it all works and we don't have any issues. It's kind of just been sitting here until we got the truck back. But now that we have it back, I also said in the last, maybe not the last video, a couple videos ago, I think, that truck is going back up to our Orange County yard, but change of plans. That truck is staying here. They're going to keep the truck that we brought up there and use that for the season. The guy running it really likes it, so no problem. It saves us the trip of having to move trucks, but we're going to put it on that one and hopefully it all works. So I'm going to start taking this off and go get a car wash. You gotta go with this guy. Oh, we're gonna go with him. Hey, wait, honey, you want me to ride with you? You want me? Oh, you don't need me? Hey, you gotta dump them in the, or do you just give them to the guy? I don't know how it works over there.
I just drive in, they open the back, they take it out, I give them $5 and I drive.
Oh, so you don't even do anything? You don't even have to do anything?
No.
Oh, I thought you had to like dump it or
No,
something.
you can't get out of the fucking vehicle, you gotta stay in the vehicle.
Oh, even better. Oh. All right, guys, so the ladder rack is back on here. Truck is nice and clean for today, at least, until I head home. It's probably going to get covered in salt again, but it is what it is. This plow is pretty much done. It's just topping off the hydraulic fluid, but everything is all straightened back up. We reinforced it a little bit, put the blade back on. So this is good to go. I'm pretty sure this plow is sold. So if you were interested in it, tough luck. But right now we're going to grab, let's see, where is it? Where is it? I don't know where it's parked, but we're grabbing, must be right here. We're grabbing this truck and pulling this sander out of it. We're gonna rinse it a little bit because tomorrow me and Rodrigo are actually heading upstate to a job in Poughkeepsie where the guys are, we have a construction crew as well if you don't know, but our construction crew are doing an addition. So we're gonna go there and dig the foundation tomorrow while we have a little break in the weather. So we have this bucket here that was up on our shelf. It's a brand new one. We haven't used it yet, so we're gonna bring it up there, use that one, and hopefully get that hole dug tomorrow and be done with it. So we got to pull that out, put everything in there. I have a pallet over here that needs to go home with me, and then after that we're going to grab 24, which is that big truck that got sandblasted and painted, and try this spinner on it. It's a rare sight with Rodrigo driving the forklift. Usually he makes me do it.
Let's go.
It's not often we're pulling trucks in here that don't have plows on it, so it's pretty nice. Oh, one of our salt spreader lights slash reverse lights is out. Actually, it looks like both of our reverse lights up there are out. I gotta check that out. Alright guys, so we are pretty much done with this truck. This spinner is on here working perfect, just like we assumed. This is a hose for a liquid setup, which we are going to get, that is a tailgate mount. We have it on one of our other trucks. I was talking to my dad, there's a guy that has a bunch of them for sale, so one day he's going to send me to pick that up. But we are going to work on this truck a little bit because we're having a lighting issue. I think either the ground is bad, or when the guy sandblasted, maybe he hit some of the wires and messed them up. I have no idea. The lights were working, but now they're not. We need to come over here because tomorrow we are doing some excavation. So we have a pile of tarps here that we need to grab and throw in our truck to go up there. That way we can cover the hole after we dig it. Oh, there's a light switch in here on this side. And then I'm looking for right now, maybe it's not in here, it might be in one of the vans. I'm looking for our laser. I don't see it. Yeah, it must be in one of the vans already. So that, I think, is going to wrap it up for this one. Tomorrow we are excavating, so out of the shop for a change. But that should only be a day or two. I think we're gonna dig it all tomorrow. But if you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.